about a mile away from the launch. Secret location today, top secret. Let's see if we can get our limit, our reds. I got time it, about 200 yards. We're all heading east. So hopefully we can get a limit. It's a nice, beautiful morning, beautiful water, beautiful water. I wanted to fish this spot for a long time finally. I got the courage to come out here. So I'll get back to you when I get to the start fishing. I get hit, folks. Second cast. I don't know. Ooh. Got one. Got one, folks. Got one, folks. It's a red. Let me check my camera here. Let me get out of those. Okay. Got myself a little red, folks. I started off with a gulp. Let me measure it. 17. Now 16. Good way to start. A little redfish. That's what I'm using right here, folks. I started off with a popping cork with a gulp. Start recording. Got one. Got one. Good one. Ah. It might keep. It's a trout. Ah, it's too small. Suicide shad. Suicide shad. Let's measure it. Nah, 14. That's what I'm using. Suicide shad, weedless. 5-inch. Oh, there's another one right there. Another one. Another one, but it was small. Yeah. Oh. Got a shot here. Yeah, baby. It's a skinny one. Man, I love it. I love it. So we could get into some late action here. Late action. I want some drag pullers. Okay, so the action's picking up here late with a marker 54, but no keepers. There's one. Feels like a keeper. Feels like a keeper. But I want him on this other side. Oh yeah. Come on, come to the other side. There you go. That's what we're talking about. Man, I hope it's not over 20. That thing is beautiful. I'm not recording for a while. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that. My thumbnail right here. My thumbnail. It's not 20. Here, let's measure it, folks. Oh,
no, it's not 20. It is 18 and 3/4. 18 and 3/4. Fresh fish. Fresh fish for the Lunas today. Yeah. Yes, sir. It's a late bite today, folks. Got another one, folks. It's got some muscle too. Not as big as the other one, but maybe 16. Oh yeah, he's a keeper. Come on, come on. Oh, come on. Oh yeah. Yes, sir, folks. Thumbnail number 2. Look at that baby. Look at that baby. I thought I was gonna make a what do you call it? I want to call Market for 54 to sponsor me. Look at that. Okay, keeper number 2 here late, folks. Don't give up. Don't give up. If at first you don't succeed, just keep going. Just keep going. Measure it just almost, yeah, 18 and a quarter. And actually it was, I got a Tsunami Bracer 2 rod paired up with a Bracer 2 4000. You could find it at Walmart at the least expensive combos they have.